Learn Excel from Mr. Excel Podcast, episode 2415. First look at these new helper functions for Lambda by row and by column. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. 7 new functions came out this week to Insiders Fast. 50% of Insiders Fast. I was lucky enough to be on the lucky 50% this time. Today we're going to take a look at by row and by column. These are all designed to work inside of Lambda functions or with Lambda functions. Make things a little bit easier. Things where we had to use an iterator before, we won't have to do that. All right, and so by column says we're going to pass it an array, and it's going to evaluate that array one column at a time. So just a really simple example here. I want to get the max of each of these columns in the array. I'm going to pass it as a single array. So by column A16 to D16, and then here's my Lambda built right into the formula. So we're passing it an array, and then for each column in the array, by column, it's taking the max of the array. All right, so I press enter, one formula, spills, gives me 777, 666, 554, 221. If I would change this to be 3333, it obviously updates. And then of course that same formula expands, so I inserted a bunch of columns in the middle here. The same formula figures out how many columns are in the array and returns one answer for each of those. Once you get the hang of that, very similar to do by row. So pass it this whole array here, and then for each row in the array, take the max function or the average function, and it will return those results. 2 cool new functions. We'll take a look at the others over the next few days of videos. All of these, of course, making my book, Mr. Excel 2021, ready for an update. I wonder what kind of a pun I can come up with in 2022 for the next edition of this book. If you like these videos, please, down below, like, subscribe, ring the bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the comments below. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.
MrExcel.com.